Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve backup of Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to Clash of Clans. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.